Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over deals you can do at CVS Pharmacy November 1st to November 7th. These are going to be my top 5 deals of the week, and I'm also going to throw in some bonus deals that you can do as well. So if you want to see what top 5 deals I picked, just keep watching. The first deal I have for you is a complete freebie. They're on the Skin Tint razors. They're on sale this week, 2 for $12. I have a $4 off 2 Skin Tint disposable CRT. I also have a 3 off 12 Schick disposable CRT. And there is a $5 off any 2 Skin Tint manufacturer digital coupon. So let's look at the math. So we're going to pick up the 2 Skin Tint razors on sale, 2 for $12. We're going to use the 5 off 2 Skin Tint manufacturer digital coupon. We're going to use the 4 off 2 Skin Tint CRT. And we're also going to use that 3 off 12 Schick disposable CRT. Our total before coupons is $12. $12 worth of coupons to come off, making these 2 packs of razors absolutely free. Okay, now this next deal is a super easy beginner-friendly deal. The Pantene shampoo and conditioner, the big 17.7 to 20.1 ounce bottles. They are on sale, 3 for $15. They are also on a promotion. If you spend $15, you get a $5 extra care buck. In the app, you will find a manufacturer digital coupon, $5 off 3 Pantene products. You're going to clip that. Okay, now let's look at the math. So the Pantene shampoo and conditioners on sale, 3 for $15. Spend $15, get a $5 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up 3 shampoos or conditioners. You can mix and match. We're going to clip that $5 off 3 Pantene manufacturer digital coupon to our account. The total before coupons is $15. $5 worth of digital coupons will come off. You will pay $10 out of pocket. You'll get back a $5 extra care buck, making your final cost $5 for 3 or just $1.67 each. Now, if you have a hair care or a Pantene CRT, use that as well to lower your out of pocket. Okay, this next deal we're going to look at is the Tampax tampons. They are buy one, get one 50% off. They are also spend $15, get a $5 extra care buck. And the same promotion is going for the Always pads as well. So let's go ahead and look at the math on this breakdown. Okay, the Tampax tampons and the Always pads, they're buy one, get one 50% off. They're also on a promotion, spend $15, get a $5 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Tampax tampons. The first one's going to be $5.99. The second one's going to be 50% off, so it's going to be $3. Then we're going to pick up 2 of the Always pads. The first one's going to be $7.29. The second one's 50% off, so it's going to be $3.65. Now here's the coupons we're going to use. We're going to use 2 of the $1 off 1 Tampax paper coupons from the 1025 P&G. We're also going to use 2 of the $1 off 1 Always pads paper coupon from the 1025 P&G. We're going to use the $3 off 3 tampon pad CRT. We're also going to use a $2 off $16 purchase on tampon and pads CRT. So for all 4 of those items, our total will be $19.93. $9 worth of coupons will come off. We will pay $10.93 out of pocket. We'll get back a $5 extra care buck, making our final cost $5.93 for all 4, or just $1.48 per pack. Okay, our next deal is on the Dial body wash. They're on sale this week, $3.99 each. They're also on a promotion. Spend $10, get a $3 extra care buck. I also have a $4 off 10 any Dial body wash CRT that I'm going to use. So let's look at the math. Okay, the Dial body wash is on sale for $3.99. Also has a promotion, spend $10, get a $3 extra care buck. There is also an IBOTTA rebate for 75 cents back per bottle. So we're going to pick up 3 of the Dial body wash at $3.99. We're going to use that $4 off 10 Dial body wash CRT. Our total before coupons will be $11.97. $4 CRT will come off. We will pay $7.97 out of pocket. We'll get back a $3 extra care buck. We're going to submit our receipt to IBOTTA for 75 cents back per bottle, which is a total of $2.25, making our final price for all 3 just $2.72. or 91 cents each. Most couponers use rebate apps, and to be honest, there are only 2 rebate apps I really use. Those 2 apps are Fetch Rewards and IBOTTA. These are the 2 easiest rebate apps to use with the biggest returns. So if you aren't already using these apps, you should go ahead and download them, and you can use my referral code for Fetch Rewards. My referral code is VRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 bonus points for using my referral code when you scan your first receipt. In my personal opinion, Fetch Rewards is the easiest one to use. You don't have to clip any offers. Fetch has over 300 participating brands, You go shopping, you scan your receipt. Every receipt is worth at least 25 points. If you purchase one of their participating brands, you get bonus points. So again, my referral code is VRYQQ. The next app I suggest is IBOTTA. If you download IBOTTA, use my referral code. It's rwoenvt. IBOTTA has a ton of different offers you can choose from a ton of different stores. They also offer many different bonuses for different items purchased. Also, if you purchase a certain number of offers, they will give you bonus money for those. There's just a ton of different ways to get free money from IBOTTA, so go ahead and download the app. Use my referral code rwoenvt. That will add you to my team. Then we can earn team bonuses together. Okay, I think this is going to be my favorite deal of the week. Almay Cosmetics are on a promotion. Spend $12, get a $6 extra care buck. This promotion is a limit of 6, which means you can do it 6 times. So this promotion itself is giving you a 50% savings already, but at the red box, a $5 coupon is printing on Almay Cosmetics. So all you have to do is go to the red box and scan your card. So let me show you my plan for this. First thing I'm going to do is go to the red box and scan my card to get my $5 coupon. Then I'm going to pick up one of these Almay Smart Shade Anti-Aging Skin Tone Matching Concealers for $9.79. And yes, I thought it'd be fun to read that whole long description of it. And then I'm going to pick up one of these Almay Skin Perfecting Comfort Matte Foundations for $13.99. And then you can see over on the right side of the screen, I have a 6 off 20 Almay Cosmetics CRT. So I'm definitely sending that to my card. And now let's check out the beautiful math on this scenario. So here we go. Almay Cosmetics are spend 12, get a $6 extra care buck, a limit of 6. I'm going to buy one Almay Anti-Aging Concealer for $9.79. I'm going to buy one Almay Matte Foundation for $13.99. I'm going to use that $5 off Almay coupon that's printing at the red box for everyone. And I'm also going to use that $6 off $20 Almay Cosmetics CRT. So my total before coupons is $23.78, which qualifies for the 98% rule. My $11 worth of coupons is going to come off. I'm going to pay $12.78 out of pocket, but I'm going to get back $12 extra care buck. And why am I getting back a $12 extra care buck? Because I spent $12 twice. I spent almost $24. So after getting back that extra care buck, it makes my final price 78 cents for both, or just 39 cents each. So here are some honorable mention deals that newbies could do. CoverGirl is on a promotion. Spend 15, get a $6 extra care buck. There's also a mystery coupon printing at the red box. I believe it's for $3. And there are manufacturer digital coupons in the app that you can also use. Another newbie friendly deal is Tide Pods are on sale for $4.94. There's a $2 manufacturer coupon in the app, making it just $2.94. Another super easy deal is these select makeup gift sets are $4.99. You buy one, you get a $2 extra care buck, making it just $2.99. Another deal is the Wet n Wild Cosmetics. They're on a promotion. Spend 10, get a $5 extra care buck. Again, that's that 50% savings. And I know I have a CRT for spend 15, get $5 off. Last week I had a $4 off $10 Wet n Wild Cosmetics CRT. So if I'd have got that one again, I could have got $10 worth of Wet n Wild Cosmetics for $1. But I didn't get that one this week. And my final honorable mention this week is going to be the Gillette Mach3 razor. It's $9.99. The reason it's an honorable mention for me is it's too pricey for me, but for a newbie, it's a great deal. So they're $9.99. There's a $2 digital coupon, so you clip that, you're going to pay $7.99 out of pocket. But then for buying one, you're going to get back a $5 extra care buck, making your final cost $2.99 for this razor. Now, once you've couponed for a while, you're going to say $2.99 for this razor is ridiculous. But if you're a newbie, this is a great way to get out there, get your feet wet, and it'll start pushing those razor shave CRTs through. So definitely a good deal to do if you're a newbie. I thought CVS had some really good deals this week. Are any of these deals your favorite deal? Are you going to do any of these deals this week? Also, do you have a deal that I didn't list? Let me know in the comments below. I know a lot of people like to show big scenarios and breakdowns. I like to show, if you're a newbie, how you can go in and do one single deal and earn extra care bucks. That way you can roll those extra care bucks into another single deal. When you are first starting out, you do not want to go in there and roll your total up to $100 and then start throwing CRTs and extra care bucks and digital coupons, paper coupons. You're going to be so confused. If you're new, go in there, pick a deal, one single deal, go in there, do it, get your feet wet. You have to start buying stuff to get your CRTs rolling in. Okay, but I guess that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to tell me your favorite CVS deal of the week in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell, turn the notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. If you don't mind, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. I know if you're new, CVS can be completely overwhelming. Just take it slow, start small, and you'll get it before you know it. As always, thank you guys for coming and watching my video. Don't forget to come back at the end of the week for our Dollar General 5 off 25 scenario video. Have fun out there couponing this week. You know what I always say, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.